Assalamu alaikum. It's unit number 6 of class ninth, the Qaid Swayan and Pakistan. At first, we will do the while reading questions. Question number 1 is: why did the Qaid have to take long tours during the early days of independence? Answer: Qaid had to take long tours during the early days of independence because he wanted to build the confidence and raise the spirit of people as they were so much depressed due to the problems created by Hindus. Question number 2: why did the Qaid want the oneness of the whole nation? Answer is: the Qaid wanted the oneness of the whole nation because he believed that strength of nation lies in its unity and oneness. He knew that no nation can achieve its goal without being one as a nation. Here comes the question number 3. Are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? Answer is: unfortunately, we are not working according to the expectations of the great leader. We are entirely ignoring the principle for which he had struggled so hard. We have diverted from the path that was shown to us by Qaid Azam. As a result, our country is facing numerous challenges. Question number 4. What is the result of neglecting the advice of Qaid Azam? Answer: the result of neglecting the advice of Qaid is that we have divided into bits and pieces on certain issues. We are disunited and facing numerous challenges. The only way to get rid of our difficulties is to follow our Qaid's golden motto: unity, faith, and discipline. Exercise questions start here. Number 1 is: how much confidence did Qaid have in his nation? Answer: Qaid-e-Azam had a great confidence in his nation. He thought that his nation has sheer determination and force of character. It was made of sterling material and second to none. It would face everything bravely to save the honor of Pakistan and Islam. Question number 2. What was the Qaid's concept of our nation? Answer: the Qaid's concept of our nation based on the pivot of the Muslim unity and oneness as a nation. He wanted a nation tied with the concept of unity, faith, and discipline. He clearly said that we are a nation with our own distinctive culture, language, names, legal laws, custom, history, ambitions, and different outlook of life. Question number 3 is: what was the ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam? Answer is: in view of Qaid-e-Azam, the ideology of Pakistan was based on the fundamental principles that Muslims are an independent nation with their complete identity. Any attempt to merge their national and political identity will be strongly resisted. Question number 4. What can be the possible solution to our present problems? Answer is: the solution of our present problems can be made possible by following the Qaid's motto: unity, faith, and discipline. We should be united once again. We should bring peace and prosperity in our country. We should never be disunited to make our nation strong. We should follow the teachings of Islam for our problems to be solved. The last exercise question is: how can we become a strong nation? Answer is: we can become a strong nation by thinking beyond our personal interests and prejudices. We should also remember the Qaid's advice to the youth: it is now up to you to work, work, and work, and we are bound to succeed. Thank you.